Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this REALME. Firstly, just hold your device's display. Now tap on Icons section at the bottom, next to Wallpaper and Widgets, and swipe left or right on this icon slider. You can see a preview above. When you see the perfect size for your icons, click on Apply. As you can see, after that, size of mines has changed. But you can always go into Settings and click on Personalizations instead. Now select Icons and do exactly the same from here. When you're ready, select Apply one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!